Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Maybe you're like me and you love to use rechargeable batteries so you can save on having to buy and throw away batteries all the time. If so, you're gonna love this little Watson charger. This is the 4-hour rapid charger for AA or AAA NIMH and NICD rechargeable batteries. So it's great because you can use it for either battery size and it does an awesome job. So it is a very quick charger, and I also really appreciate that it's super small and compact. So if you're not using it, you can just pop it into a drawer or out of the way and it's not going to take up any space to store. I also really appreciate that there is the prongs that go into the wall are actually able to be folded down to make it even more compact. So it's just a really handy little charger. So if you're looking for a way to recharge those AA and AAA batteries, I would definitely check out this charger from Watson. It works really well, super fast, very compact, and that's my point of view.